Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel work on Fiverr. First, you need to create a compelling Fiverr profile that highlights your Excel expertise. Make sure your profile picture is professional and friendly, and your description clearly states your services. Emphasize your unique selling points, such as quick turnaround times or advanced formula knowledge. A strong profile is your foundation for attracting potential clients seeking Excel solutions. Next, craft an irresistible Excel gig. Your gig title should be concise and include relevant keywords that clients might search for. In the description, clearly outline what you offer, perhaps mentioning specific Excel versions or functions. Consider offering 3 distinct packages: a basic for quick tasks, a standard for more complex projects, and a premium for comprehensive solutions. Use high-quality images or a video to showcase your work. To boost your gig's visibility, optimize it with relevant tags and categories. Think like a client. What terms would they use to find your service? Share your gig link across your social media channels to expand its reach beyond Fiverr. Consistently delivering high-quality work and excellent communication will lead to positive reviews, which are crucial for attracting new clients. Aim for 5-star ratings to build trust and credibility. Finally, focus on delivering outstanding work and growing your business. Maintain clear and prompt communication with your clients from start to finish, ensuring you understand their needs perfectly. Always strive to deliver high-quality Excel solutions that not only meet but exceed their expectations. After successful completion, politely ask for a review. Continuously learning new Excel features and functions will allow you to expand your services and attract even more diverse projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.